Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Simply Explained English. I'm Jack.
And I'm Sara. Today's episode is a little bit different and very special. You are going to listen to some dialogues covering everyday situations. You'll hear conversations at the airport, the bank, the doctor's office, and even at a hotel.
It's a great way to learn a lot of practical vocabulary in one video. Before each part, you will see the key words on the screen to help you understand.
And please stay with us until the very end. We have a special shadowing at the end again.
Are you ready to dive in? Let's start with the first situation.
Good morning. Welcome to Star Airlines. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Good morning. Yes, here they are. I'm flying to New York today.
Thank you. I see your booking. Are you checking any bags today?
Yes, I have one suitcase to check. I also have a small backpack. I will take it with me on the plane.
That is fine. Please put your suitcase on the scale. I need to check the weight.
Okay, I hope it is not too heavy. I packed a lot of winter clothes because it is cold there.
Let's see. It is 52 pounds. The limit is 50 pounds. It is slightly over the limit.
Oh no, do I have to pay an extra fee? I really don't want to fork out more money right now.
Normally, yes, but since it is only 2 pounds over, I can let it go this time.
That is very kind of you. You are a lifesaver. Thank you.
You are welcome. Now, would you like an aisle seat or a window seat?
I prefer a window seat. I like to look outside when we touch down.
I have a nice window seat for you. Here is your boarding pass.
Great. Which gate do I need to go to?
Your flight leaves from gate 12. Boarding starts in 40 minutes.
Gate 12. Got it. I will head over there immediately.
Have a safe flight. I hope you arrive safe and sound.
Thanks for your help. Have a good day.
Hello, madam. Come and look. We have the freshest fruits in the market today.
Hi. These apples look very nice and red. Are they local?
Yes, we picked them this morning from our farm. They are 100% organic.
That sounds good. I want to buy one bag. How much is it?
It is $6 for a bag. It is a very good price for organic fruit.
$6? That is a bit expensive. At the supermarket, they are much cheaper.
Supermarket apples are not this fresh. These are the best in town. I promise you will love them.
I believe you, but I need to watch my budget. I don't want to buy something that costs a fortune.
Okay, I want you to try them. I can give you a small discount. How about $5?
$5 is better, but I also want some oranges. Can you make a special deal if I buy both?
You really know how to drive a hard bargain. Okay, $8 for apples and oranges together.
Now we are talking. That is a fair price. I will take them.
Excellent choice. Let me put them in a bag for you.
Thank you. I usually shop around before I buy, but your fruit looks perfect.
Thank you. Here you go. Enjoy your healthy snack.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hi. I would like to open a new savings account. I want to start saving money for a new house.
That is a great goal. We have a few options for you. Do you want an account with a high interest rate?
Yes, that is important. I want my money to grow. But to be honest, I am not very good with numbers.
I understand. Our Future Saver account is very popular. It has a 4% interest rate and no monthly fees.
That sounds perfect. I want to put aside a little money every month from my salary.
Exactly. It is important to build a nest egg for your future. Even small amounts help.
Yes, I agree. I also want to have some money ready for a rainy day, just in case something bad happens.
Smart thinking. To open the account, I need to see your ID and proof of address.
Here is my driver's license and an electric bill. Is that enough?
Yes, that is perfect. I will enter your details into the system. It will only take a minute.
Thank you. Can I make a transaction online with this account?
Yes, you can transfer money using our mobile app. It is very convenient.
That is good to hear. I am glad to finally organize my finances.
You are all set. Here is your new account number.
Good morning, Leo. What brings you here today?
Good morning, doctor. To be honest, I feel terrible. I think I am coming down with the flu.
I'm sorry to hear that. Can you describe your problems?
Well, I have a really bad runny nose and a sore throat. Also, my whole body aches.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, I checked it this morning. It was quite high. I feel very weak.
Okay, let me check your temperature. Yes, you definitely have a fever.
Is it serious? I have a lot of work to do this week. I cannot afford to be sick.
You need to rest. If you keep working this hard, you will burn out. You look a bit under the weather.
I guess you are right. I'm pushing myself too hard.
I will give you a prescription for some medicine to help with the fever. You must drink plenty of water and stay in bed.
How long will it take to get over this?
If you rest, you should feel healthy again in 3 or 4 days.
Okay, I will follow your advice. I just want to feel normal again.
Take these pills twice a day. Come back if you don't feel better by Friday.
Hello, welcome to Tech World. Do you need help with anything?
Hi, yes please. I am looking for a new laptop. My old one is very slow and heavy. It causes me a lot of trouble.
I understand. We have many great options here. What do you usually do on your computer?
Mostly simple things. I write emails, watch movies, and browse the internet. I don't need anything too complicated.
In that case, I recommend this model. It is perfect for travel because it is very lightweight. You can carry it anywhere easily.
It looks very nice, but I am worried about the price. I don't want to break the bank.
This one is actually on sale right now. It is $450.
That is a reasonable price. Does it have a good battery? My old laptop dies very quickly.
Yes, the battery lasts for 10 hours, and it comes with a 2-year warranty. If something breaks,
We fix it for free. That gives me peace of mind. Sometimes I cannot figure out how to fix technical problems myself. Don't worry. This machine is very easy to use. Do you want to take it? Yes, I will buy it. I really need a reliable computer for my work. Great choice. I will bring a new box from the back.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to the Grand Plaza. How may I assist you?
Good afternoon. I have a reservation for 2 nights. My name is Leo Miller.
Let me check our system. Yes, I see your booking here. You requested a standard room.
That is correct. I have a small request. Is it possible to get a room with a sea view?
I am afraid not. We are booked solid this weekend because of the holiday. All the sea view rooms are full.
That is a pity. I really wanted to see the ocean.
I apologize. However, I can give you a room on the garden side. It is very quiet and spacious. You will have plenty of room to relax.
That sounds good. Is breakfast included in the price?
Yes, we offer a complimentary breakfast buffet every morning from 7 to 10 a.m.
Excellent. I look forward to trying it.
Here is your key card. Your room is on the 3rd floor. The elevator is to your right.
Thank you. One last thing. What is the password for the Wi-Fi?
It is written on this card. It is Guest 2024. Also, you can use all the amenities like the pool and gym for free.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
Welcome back. That was a lot of great English practice. Now let's move on to the shadowing section.
In this part, we want you to repeat after us. Focus on copying our speed, intonation, and pronunciation.
We won't give you the definitions this time. Just listen closely and speak out loud. Are you ready? Let's go.
I packed a lot of winter clothes because it is cold there. I packed a lot of winter clothes because it is cold there.
That is very kind of you. You are a lifesaver. Thank you. That is very kind of you. You are a lifesaver. Thank you.
I hope you arrive safe and sound. I hope you arrive safe and sound.
Can you make a special deal if I buy both? Can you make a special deal if I buy both?
You really know how to drive a hard bargain. You really know how to drive a hard bargain.
Do you want an account with a high interest rate? Do you want an account with a high interest rate?
I want to put aside a little money every month from my salary. I want to put aside a little money every month from my salary.
I think I am coming down with the flu. I think I am coming down with the flu.
If you keep working this hard, you will burn out. If you keep working this hard, you will burn out.
I usually shop around before I buy, but your fruit looks perfect. I usually shop around before I buy, but your fruit looks perfect.
But I am worried about the price. I don't want to break the bank. But I am worried about the price. I don't want to break the bank.
Sometimes I cannot figure out how to fix technical problems myself. Sometimes I cannot figure out how to fix technical problems myself.
We're booked solid this weekend because of the holiday. We're booked solid this weekend because of the holiday. Great job, everyone! Shadowing is the best way to train your mouth muscles for English.
We covered so many different topics today. I'm really curious, which dialogue did you like the most?
Yeah, let us know in the comments. Was it the bargaining at the market, or maybe the conversation at the airport?
We love reading your feedback. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more lessons.
Thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode.